You've probably heard that the #1 way to keep looking younger and healthier and whatever else is to care for your skin. But we're not just talking about taking daily showers or baths or cleaning all that much, because in all honesty, some of these things can do more harm than good. And all for one reason, which is moisture. Moisturizing your skin is the quickest, the easiest, the most accessible way to keep your skin looking younger, healthier, and happier. But how does moisturizing actually help? And why is it more important to moisturize in colder weather like winter, which we are rapidly approaching, as opposed to the summertime? Let's dive in. So firstly, let's answer the question about how moisturizing in the first place helps skin from aging. It works differently than most people think. Most people expect that it has something to do with some anti-aging process that fundamentally rejuvenates or replaces the skin with fresh new skin. But this is not entirely true. Although yes, you can supplement with certain things like collagen, which help boost your skin's ability to repair itself. The truth is, your skin actually replaces itself pretty frequently. And although our skin may be considered new skin in that kind of context, what happens is it's the same old cells that are replicated. So moisturizing doesn't exactly affect the health of the cells as much as it affects the health of the skin as a whole. Which brings us to the main reason why moisturizing your skin helps, which is it plumps up your skin. And plump skin definitely does not create lines or wrinkles as easily as dry skin does. If you want an interesting example of this, here's what you should consider. If you've ever blown up like an air mattress or an inflatable pool toy or something like that before, then you'll realize just how much more the mattress or the pool toy or something like that is creased right out of the box, as opposed to when it has some volume to it, when it has some air. It's much harder to crease the plastic of that mattress or that pool toy after you have some volume of air in it, because the air acts as a cushion. And in the same way, the moisture in your skin acts like a cushion that prevents the lines from forming during things like wrinkling, pinching, or anything else that happens to your skin. The other reason that moisturizing often helps is because a lot of really good daily moisturizers out there include some kind of sun protection. You should be protecting your skin from the sun pretty much every day. Although yes, having a tan is nice. Tan skin by its very core is more prone to wrinkles in the future. So now let's talk about why moisturizing is actually more important in colder weather. So as we progress into the colder months, two things happen that drastically reduce the amount of moisture that your skin can retain. One, the temperature drops, pretty easy to figure that one out, but this causes #2, which is the humidity drops as well. And as the humidity in the air decreases, what it wants to do is pull moisture away from other surrounding things to balance itself. This is just the conservation of energy. So when the days get cold and the humidity gets low, your skin is much more prone to getting dry. And this is why your hands will get flaky, chalky, maybe even crack and bleed, like on your knuckles anytime there's a lot of stretching, because your skin isn't plump and stretchy enough to maintain that elasticity. And this is a sign that you need to moisturize. Luckily, there is a natural moisturizer that you can use year-round and even helps you to do other things, and you probably know what it is, or if not even have it already, which is aloe vera. Aloe is usually known out there as the skin soother for bad sunburn, but part of the reason that it heals skin burns, cuts, scrapes, and a few other things is because it moisturizes so well. Aloe vera itself is 98.5% water, making it a super easy and natural way to hydrate your skin without a lot of the greasiness or oiliness that lotions and a lot of other hydration products out there cause. And because of this, you can apply it just about as much as you want every day without having to deal with things like synthetic fragrances or even harsh chemical ingredients. So whether it's the summertime and you've got a sunburn, or the wintertime and you just have dry skin in general, you should try to use some aloe vera. And of course, Volt's aloe gel is one of the most natural out there on the market, just saying. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you found it interesting. You learned a few things about how moisturizing actually helps your skin stay looking fresher, younger for longer. If you've never tried using aloe vera as a skin moisturizer as opposed to maybe just a sunburn soother, then I would definitely recommend it. You can use it like right after you get out of shower and all the warm water is stripping the oils away from your skin to replace some of that moisture and hydration without causing your skin to feel oily or sticky or anything like that. And again, if you're interested in some of Volt's aloe gel, which we just came out with and you can get in like a refillable bottle, then head to the description. I'll have the link to that down there. You can learn more about that. And if you guys like this video, please, it would help us out a lot if you would like and subscribe. That way we can keep making awesome videos for you guys out there and answer questions that we get like we did today. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in the next video.